It's not a secret that aging is one of the greatest fears we all have. Wouldn't it be great if there was a pill that could help us live longer, healthier lives? Well, a new startup backed by OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman is making that dream a reality. Their first human clinical trial is set to begin by the end of this year, and you can bet there will be plenty of volunteers. Biotech company Biosciences was founded in 2020 with a hefty $180 million investment from Sam Altman's personal investment firm, his 80/60. The company is on a mission to develop drugs that combat the effects of aging in the brain. And so far they've made some pretty exciting progress. Their most promising drug candidate, ARDR242, is a small molecule designed to clear waste from the brain. Waste in this case refers to old, damaged, and mutated proteins that accumulate in our brains as we age. These proteins are a hallmark of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. In fact, the main component of those amyloid plaques that build up in Alzheimer's patients is a protein called amyloid beta. As we get older, these proteins become more and more of a problem. They start to interfere with the normal functioning of our brains, leading to cognitive decline and other age-related diseases. So the idea is to develop a drug that clears these proteins out before they cause too much damage. ARDR242 works by reviving a natural process in our cells called autophagy, which literally means self-feeding. It's the process by which cells break down and recycle old or damaged proteins. However, this process becomes less efficient as we age, leading to the buildup of those harmful proteins. ARDR242 works by jump-starting this process, giving our bodies a helping hand to clear out the bad stuff and recycle it into something useful. In animal studies, ARDR242 has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and increase levels of autophagy. When the drug was administered to mice, they experienced a significant reduction in amyloid plaques, as well as improvements in their cognitive abilities. Of course, the next step is to test the drug in humans. And according to Retro's CEO Joe Betzlacroix, the company plans to begin its first human clinical trial by the end of 2025. If the trials are successful, the drug could be on the market within 5 years. Now, to be clear, this is not a cure for Alzheimer's. It's not going to bring back your memories or allow you to remember things like you used to. But it might slow down the progression of the disease, allowing people to maintain their independence for longer. Moreover, this approach could also benefit people suffering from other neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's, ALS, and even Huntington's disease. What's more, it might also help to prevent cognitive decline in healthy individuals as we age. Current drugs for Alzheimer's, like Leqembi, for instance, work by targeting those amyloid plaques directly. But they don't actually clear them out. Instead, they just slow down the rate at which they build up. As a result, these drugs mainly slow down cognitive decline rather than reversing it. By contrast, Retro's approach is to tackle the root cause of the problem, the buildup of damaged proteins in our brains. If they're successful, it could be a major breakthrough in the fight against aging and age-related diseases. So keep an eye on this one. If the trials go well, we could be seeing a new and improved version of ourselves in the near future. What do you think? Would you take a pill that could make you smarter, healthier, and younger? Let us know in the comments below.